Today, we're checking out the Roborock F25 wet dry vacuum. Huge thanks to Roborock for sending the sample, but as always, opinions are our own. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Now let's unbox it. Inside you'll find a power cord, spare washable filter, cleaning brush, handle, main unit, charging base, and product literature. Setup is simple. Snap the handle in place, charge it up, and fill the tank with water. Now let's get cleaning.
Auto mode. Fast mode.
How does the F25 compare to the competition? Priced $100 below average, it still packs impressive features. It delivers 20,000 pascal suction, well above average, though real-world suction and airflow are slightly below some competitors. Noise levels peaked at 83 decibels, technically louder, but not noticeably so. Battery life is nearly double the average, with large, clean, and dirty water tanks for fewer refills and emptying. The F25 excels in maintenance with self-cleaning and a 5-minute quick-dry function using 194°F hot air, the hottest we've seen. It also has the same temp for its hot water mop washing, also the hottest we've seen. Its smart dirt detection adjusts suction and water flow automatically, and the lightweight, flexible design makes maneuvering effortless. The 180° lie flat feature is a game changer, making it one of the easiest units to handle. It also has dual edge cleaning for edge-to-edge precision, making it easy to clean up along the side of your trim and baseboards. So what's missing? A few notable absences. No LED light, a feature I'd love to see added. No self-propelling tech, though it moves easily on its own. No steam cleaning. Not expected at this price, but would be a great future addition. No auto shutoff when stood upright. A small but noticeable inconvenience. No exact battery percentage display, which would be useful for tracking charge levels. And no dedicated solution tank. You'll have to mix and add your own solution in the clean water tank. So the Roborock F25 is feature-packed, lightweight, and aggressively priced. Its hot air drying, hot water washing, and lie flat design make cleaning effortless. While it lacks auto shutoff, LED lights, and a battery percentage display, its performance and value make it a solid choice for a wet dry vacuum.